Hello everyone, I'm going to show you what I've been working on lately. It's a concept, it's an idea, it's something I think it can be cool. So here you will have an avatar speaking to you all along the way. You are about to start a journey of joy and creativity. Delete the door if you dare. So I would press the door and I would press delete. And here I see that there's a cloud and there's a message said double click here. Oof. So I just went to the sky. And then they would check here and they would say, oh, double click on the portal, there's something next after. So, poof, deeper in the sky. And now we have another question. And once again, deeper. And finally, voila. And yeah, and this portal actually should not be here because there's nowhere there. But there's a little thing at the end. You can see like there are some clouds there, super small. If you move and you zoom, you got a nice castle, floating castle, like imagination bound, which people notice. And if we take a step back, as you can see, the template looks like this. The idea is to play with the camera effect. When you send to a shape, on the canvas, the camera goes automatically there, and depending on the zoom and things like that, it goes to different speed and different effect. And yeah, I wanted to have a bit of fun with this, trying to recreate the depth effect that you saw on the website. Anyway, let me think what you think about this, and should I push it further or not? Let's see.